Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and simple materials turn into stunning home transformations. Today's video, nature-inspired scrap wood furniture decor ideas rustic DIY home makeover, is all about discovering the hidden beauty in leftover wood and transforming it into warm, inviting pieces that completely refresh your space. If you've ever looked at a pile of scrap wood and wondered what you could possibly do with it, this video is going to open your eyes to endless possibilities. There's something truly special about nature-inspired design. The textures, the organic shapes, the raw grains, and even the imperfections tell a story that mass-produced furniture simply cannot replicate. In this makeover, we focus on embracing those natural details and turning them into rustic furniture and decor that feel authentic, cozy, and timeless. Whether your style leans toward farmhouse charm, cabin comfort, or modern rustic elegance, these ideas will inspire you to create a home that feels grounded and welcoming. In this video, you can expect to see creative ways to repurpose scrap wood into functional and decorative pieces that elevate any room. From statement furniture accents to charming wall decor and small handcrafted details, we explore how simple materials can make a powerful design impact. You'll discover how combining different wood tones, textures, and finishes can add depth and character to your space. We also share practical tips on working with scrap wood, selecting the best pieces, and enhancing their natural beauty with finishing techniques that highlight the grain rather than hiding it. What makes this makeover even more exciting is that it's budget-friendly and eco-conscious. Using scrap wood not only saves money, but also reduces waste and supports sustainable living. Every piece you create becomes one of a kind, filled with personality and craftsmanship. Instead of buying new furniture, you'll learn how to craft meaningful decor that reflects your creativity and personal style. If you love DIY projects, upcycling ideas, and transforming ordinary materials into extraordinary decor, you're in the right place. This video is designed to motivate beginners and inspire experienced makers alike. Even if you don't consider yourself a woodworking expert, you'll see that rustic beauty doesn't require perfection, it celebrates it. Before we dive in, make sure to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to Kuki Decor. We post inspiring home decor and creative upcycling ideas regularly to help you turn everyday materials into design masterpieces. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new project, and let's start creating a nature-inspired home you'll absolutely love. Nature has always been the greatest designer, offering textures, tones, and patterns that feel timeless and grounding. In this nature-inspired scrap wood furniture decor ideas rustic DIY home makeover, we fully embrace that philosophy by transforming simple leftover wood pieces into stunning, character-filled furniture and decor that bring warmth and authenticity into any space. Scrap wood is often overlooked, pushed aside in workshops or forgotten in storage corners, yet within those rough edges and imperfect cuts lies incredible creative potential. Instead of seeing irregular shapes and mismatched tones as limitations, this makeover celebrates them as defining features. Each knot, crack, grain variation, and weathered surface becomes part of the story, adding depth and uniqueness that mass-produced furniture can never truly replicate. By leaning into organic forms and natural finishes, the goal is not to hide imperfections, but to highlight them, creating pieces that feel alive and connected to the outdoors. Throughout this transformation, we explore how scrap wood can be repurposed into functional furniture such as rustic coffee tables, side tables, shelving units, and accent benches. As well as decorative elements like wall art, candle holders, framed wood panels, and textured feature walls. The beauty of working with scrap wood is that no two pieces are identical, which means every project becomes one of a kind, filled with personality and handcrafted charm. Mixing different wood tones can create visual contrast, while consistent finishes can unify varied pieces into a cohesive design. Sanding techniques allow you to smooth surfaces while still preserving natural character, and applying stains or oils enhances grain patterns rather than masking them. Layering textures is another powerful element in a rustic makeover, pairing raw wood surfaces with soft fabrics, subtle metal accents, greenery, and warm lighting creates a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Nature-inspired design is not about overwhelming a room with heavy wooden elements, but about thoughtfully incorporating organic touches that make the space feel calm and grounded. Even small additions like a reclaimed wood tray on a coffee table or a handcrafted wooden frame around a mirror can shift the entire mood of a room. This makeover also highlights how accessible rustic DIY projects can be. You do not need expensive equipment or professional carpentry skills to achieve meaningful results. With basic tools, patience, and creativity, scrapwood can become statement pieces that elevate your home. Measuring carefully, aligning pieces thoughtfully, and reinforcing joints securely ensure that your furniture is not only beautiful, but also durable and functional. Sustainability plays a central role in this transformation. By choosing to reuse leftover wood instead of purchasing new materials, you reduce waste and support eco-conscious living. Every reused plank represents fewer resources consumed and less material discarded. Beyond environmental benefits, there is also a financial advantage. Scrapwood projects are budget-friendly, allowing you to create high-impact decor without overspending. A nature-inspired rustic makeover also invites you to slow down and reconnect with the creative process. Working with wood requires attention, patience, and appreciation for detail. It encourages hands-on involvement and offers the satisfaction of building something tangible and lasting. When you place a handcrafted piece into your home, it carries meaning because you shaped it with your own effort and imagination. Incorporating greenery alongside wooden elements further enhances the natural theme. Plants soften hard surfaces and bring freshness that complements wood tones beautifully. The contrast between living foliage and reclaimed timber creates a harmonious balance that feels both vibrant and serene. Warm lighting enhances the richness of the grain and deepens the cozy rustic atmosphere. As this makeover unfolds, you'll notice how even subtle changes accumulate into a dramatic transformation. A bare wall becomes a focal point with a textured wood installation. An empty corner becomes functional with a handmade shelf. A plain tabletop gains character with a custom centerpiece crafted from reclaimed planks. Each addition layers warmth and authenticity into the room. Another key aspect of this approach is flexibility. Scrapwood pieces vary in size and shape, which encourages adaptive design thinking. Instead of forcing materials into rigid plans, you learn to design around what you have, allowing the materials to guide the project. This results in organic, visually interesting compositions that feel natural rather than overly structured. Ultimately, this nature-inspired scrapwood makeover is about more than decor. It is about perspective. It challenges you to rethink what is considered waste and to see creative opportunity where others see leftovers. It encourages sustainable living, hands-on craftsmanship, and personal expression through design. Your home becomes not just a place to live, but a reflection of creativity and conscious choices. As we bring this transformation to a close, remember that every beautiful piece once began as a simple idea and a willingness to try. If this makeover inspired you to look at scrap wood differently and imagine new possibilities for your own space, then the mission is accomplished. Thank you for spending your time with Kuki Decor. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves DIY projects, and subscribe for more inspiring rustic transformations. Your support allows us to continue sharing creative, sustainable ideas that turn everyday materials into extraordinary design statements. Until next time, stay inspired and keep building beauty from the simplest beginnings.